Hello and welcome to Let's Draw with Setsaled. I'm Setsaled, and let's draw Dabi from My Hero Academia. Just as a heads up, there are spoilers in this image as I try to draw it several different times. I think I redrew this like 5 or 6 different times before I actually got to the one that works. But anyway, if you are not caught up with the latest stuff that came out on Twitter about the Japanese manga, there will be spoilers, so go home right now if you don't want to know that. It's really interesting to look at My Hero Academia right now because it's the current, juggernaut of 2020 and this generation's manga and anime, like how when I was younger it was Naruto and Bleach and somewhat Yu-Gi-Oh! And now it's Demon Slayer and My Hero Academia. So it's definitely something to look at if you haven't watched it yet. It's huge, and it's actually really good, so you can get a lot out of it as a action anime, but also as just a good shonen anime that isn't afraid to go into emotions of the different characters. And there's actually character development, which is nice. With drawing Dabi specifically, his face is really difficult to get right because he has those scars on him. And as you can see as I'm trying to draw here, spoilers, once again, spoilers, he is Todoroki's older brother. So his hair is white and the black dye is coming out of it, and we all acted surprised when we found that out because everybody guessed that he was Toya before he even hit the anime. So, but it's been officially confirmed now, so that's cool. I'm kind of annoyed that Todoroki, that Shoto didn't know it was him. I mean, he kind of acted like he did, but also, it's your older brother and your family all looks incredibly similar. I guess hair color is a thing that people can't understand. Then how do people know that Kirishima is the same person? He dyes his hair. But anyway, so I was trying to draw him crying and also the hair dye dripping off of him, and then the face just got difficult. I redrew his eyebrows like a million different times. My dog is snoring next to me. Aw. But the bottom of his eyes is kind of square, and the top of his eyes are that Todoroki, really subtle curve to them. I gave up. I tried drawing the face again. It's hard to get his scars right, because if you do them wrong, then it just all looks weird. I tried to make him look more sinister, and it just ended up making him look high, and, really weird. Also, in the manga, I don't know if he has it in the anime, but in the manga, he has the 3 nose piercings. So that's what I tried to draw there. I think, no, when I finally finished this drawing, it was from a different angle, but I tried to fix the mouth, and the scars go all the way up to his ears, but you can really only see that on the side view. Anyway, so I tried to redraw his face, and then I just gave up on that one because it looked weird, and I continued to redraw it again and again, and then I gave up and drew him from the side, and this is the one that I actually kept. The question that I have for the manga right now is, if Dabi has ice fire as his quirk, then why was he not exactly what Endeavour wanted? Was it too hard to control? Was he too much of a jerk about it? I haven't read up to the manga where that spoiler comes out, but I know about the scene that happens, where he pours bleach or something onto his hair, and then his hair dye comes out and it shows that he has white hair, and it's like, oh my god, you were Toya the whole time. And he actually says, I would have thought that my family would recognize me. And it's like, yeah, guys, why did you not recognize your own child, Endeavour? But I guess if he got the worst scarring afterwards, then that would be a reason to maybe not know it was him. I start lining everything here, and I avoid the eyes because the eyes are the hardest part that I could screw up the most. And I actually had a decent day for drawing clothing stuff on this drawing, and too much titty, too much titty. Go backwards. Okay. But, yeah. So, he's got all those little scar clamp, like staple thingies, so I just go through and draw all the little details of that, and today was actually, at 4 a.m., a good hand drawing day. So, holy crap, I actually drew a decent hand. That was a feat of wonder. And as I'm finishing up this drawing, I just go back through and finish up the eye and all of his scars and his angry eyebrows and everything. I add all of the fire and the water and whatever hair dye droplets on a different layer so they can be transparent and colored differently. And with that, I end up having a drawing of Dabi. Thank you guys for watching. Spoilers. Go talk about the spoilers in the comments.